I liked going and looking at a bunch of different homes and kind of deciding what floor plans we wanted, what neighborhood, lighting, finishes, and it was really fun being our first time buying a home. We had lots of options with all the different Tabor, floor plans and locations, so it was really fun to get to pick what we wanted. Well, he got a job in Oklahoma and we actually moved from Seattle, Washington, so we wanted to get in right away. We didn't really have anything in mind, especially moving from another state, and we were just driving around looking at houses one day and came upon a Tabor and kind of got sold right away. I love our floor plan in particular. We have access from the laundry room to the master, which is a really cool feature I've never seen in a home.
My favorite part is actually all of the features that are normally upgrades in other homes, but they come standard with the Tabor, whether that's the storm shelter or the tankless water heater. They all just seem to already be available inside the home. And I like the convenience of having the gas fireplace on the inside, but then a wood-burning fireplace on the outside. You have any option that you decide you want to have. You have fire immediately, or you can have one that's authentic. So the warranty department's been very responsive. Anything we've had them come out for, they took a look and fixed immediately for us. And we've had complete trust in Tabor's warranty.
We never looked at a single house that wasn't Tabor and didn't even know what Tabor was before this experience, so you sold us right away, and if anybody that we know wants to buy a house, we always recommend it.